Starting a limited liability company, LLC, for your cleaning business can provide several benefits. Most importantly, an LLC structure offers limited liability to its owners, which can protect their personal assets from lawsuits and creditors. For a cleaning business, lawsuits can arise from things like one of your employees damaging a customer's property or belongings, as well as getting injured while carrying out a cleaning service. LLCs are also affordable, highly flexible, from a tax point of view, and can make your cleaning business seem more credible. Why starting an LLC for a cleaning business is important. Personal asset protection. The top reason to form an LLC for a cleaning business is to gain access to the personal asset protection provided by this business structure. Whether you clean houses as a solo operation or if you clean large office complexes with several other cleaners, you need the limited liability protections that an LLC can provide. On the other hand, if you form an LLC for your cleaning company, and you operate and maintain that LLC in a compliant fashion, the scope of your customer's lawsuit will be limited to your business assets. In other words, your personal assets will be protected by the business structure you've chosen. LLC tax benefits and options for a cleaning business. LLCs, by default, are taxed as a pass-through entity, just like a sole proprietorship or partnership. This means that the business's net income passes through to the owner's individual tax return. The business's net income is then subject to income taxes, based on the owner's tax bracket, and self-employment taxes. Sole proprietorships and partnerships are taxed in a similar way to LLCs, but they do not offer limited liability protection or other tax options. S-Corp option for LLCs. An S-Corporation, S-Corporate, is an IRS tax status that an LLC can elect. S-Corp status allows business owners to be treated as employees of the business, for tax purposes. S-Corp tax status can reduce self-employment taxes and will allow business owners to contribute pre-tax dollars to 401k or health insurance premiums. The S-Corp status requires that the business pay the employee owners a reasonable salary for the work they perform. In addition, the business might need to spend more on accounting, bookkeeping, and payroll services. To offset these costs, you'd need to be saving about $2,000 a year on taxes. We estimate that if a cleaning business owner can pay themselves a reasonable salary and at least $10,000 in distributions each year, they could benefit from S-Corp status. Enhanced credibility and name uniqueness. Finally, an LLC structure can enhance the credibility of your cleaning business venture. Informal business entities don't have exclusive assumed business names and typically operate under the personal names of their owners. For instance, if your name is Johnny Smith and you operate a cleaning company sole proprietorship, your company's name is also Johnny Smith, which obviously isn't a great name for a cleaning business. In this scenario, you could register a DBA, doing business as, name to give your business the ability to operate under an assumed business name, but DBAs have no exclusivity regarding their naming rights in many states. This means that if another cleaner wants to use your DBA name as their own, they're not only allowed to do so, but they can actually register a formal business entity with that name, preventing you from continuing to use your own assumed name. With an LLC, you not only have the rights to exclusive use of a business name, but you will also have either the phrase limited liability company or the letters LLC in that business name. This provides your business with a jolt of respectability because customers respect the professionalism displayed by an LLC. Also, they typically feel more comfortable writing checks to a business entity rather than to an individual. How to start a cleaning business LLC. The formation process for LLCs varies depending on which state you're forming one in, but in general, the process has some universal steps that need to be taken no matter what state your business is located in. The basic steps in the LLC formation process in any state are as follows. Number 1, choose an LLC name. Coming up with the perfect name for your new LLC is an important step. You'll need to choose a name that represents your company and describes what you do, and you'll also have to make sure it isn't already in use by checking your state's business database. Number 2, choose the state you want to form your LLC in. Choose the state you want to form your LLC in based on your business needs, taxes, and other legal requirements. You don't have to form your LLC in the state you live in. Number 3, designate a registered agent. Your LLC's registered agent, which can be an individual or a professional service, is responsible for receiving important document deliveries from the state like service of process, annual report reminders, etc. The registered agent ensures that the state always has a reliable point of contact for your business. Number 4, file your formation documents with the state. The form used to create an LLC is usually called the Articles of Organization, although the name can vary. Some states call it the Certificate of Formation or something similar. You'll need to provide the state with some basic information about your business and its owners. In exchange, the state will formally create your LLC. Number 5. Acquire an EIN. The Employer Identification Number, EIN, is a federal tax ID number that essentially functions as a social security number for a business. The EIN allows your business to hire employees, pay taxes, apply for bank loans, and more. You can easily obtain an EIN from the Internal Revenue Service free of charge. Number 6. Create an LLC operating agreement. Most states don't require operating agreements, but every LLC should have one regardless. This is an internal document that outlines several key operational aspects of your LLC. The value of the operating agreement is how it can help prevent ownership disputes down the line by clearly explaining how the LLC will be run. Number 7. Create a financial infrastructure. You will need a business bank account for your LLC, and you'll probably want a business credit card for work-related expenses as well. It's also a good idea to use accounting software like QuickBooks or even hire an accountant to handle your bookkeeping for you. Number 8. Handle taxes, licenses, and permits. Depending on your state, you may need a general business license to operate your LLC in compliance with state requirements. There is no federal license for cleaning companies, but your business will likely need some sort of licensure on the state or local levels. Don't forget to check with your state to see if there are franchise or privilege taxes assessed on LLCs, and also see if your municipal and/or county government entities have any further licensing requirements. Number 9. Understand maintenance requirements, annual reports, franchise taxes, etc. Again, these requirements can vary by state, but most states require some sort of regular report to ensure that your LLC's info is up to date in the state's business database. Some states require reports each year, while others only require them biannually or not at all. No matter what your state requires, you'll need to stay on top of it to keep your LLC in good standing. In conclusion, the cleaning business can be a lucrative and satisfying career choice. But it requires careful planning and execution to ensure long-term success. To make sure your business is financially sound, consider hiring a bookkeeper to manage your finances and keep your business on track. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand, you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty. Time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.